Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify credit freeze status in TransUnion. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your credit freeze status with TransUnion, start by navigating to the TransUnion website. Once on the home page, look for the credit freeze section. Click on the credit freeze option to proceed. Next, you will see an option for check your freeze status. Click on that option to continue. Now, you will be prompted to enter your personal information. Provide your social security number in the designated field. Next, enter your date of birth. You will also need to input your address, including city, state, and zip code. After entering your information, look for the Submit button and click it. Wait for the system to process your request. The site will then display your credit freeze status. If your credit is frozen, it will indicate that as well. If the freeze is lifted, you will be notified accordingly. Take note of any additional instructions provided on the screen. If you encounter issues, there's often a help section available. Follow any prompts to resolve issues or verify your identity. Once you're done, you can log out for security reasons. You have now successfully verified your credit freeze status with TransUnion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.